fat in your thighs. Christina's here to help me reveal the secret fat-busting meal for thinner thighs. So, Christine, what word would you use to describe your thighs?
Defeated. After a significant weight of, lost a lot of weight within a year's time. I lost like over 40 pounds.
Oh, you did? That's
yes.
Wonderful.
So all the weight that I lost came from the waist up, but nothing from the waist down, where I still have my thunder thighs.
The fact that you lost 40 pounds is spectacular. Your thighs may be the last place to lose weight. And there's a reason, again, as we were talking about, because sometimes there's some subtle nudges we can make to our foods that will effortlessly allow that area to reap the same benefits the rest of your body. So I want you to everything else is doing the same, because obviously you're losing weight, it's great, but I want to talk to you about this secret fat-busting meal. Are you ready? This is the fat buster for your thighs. It is called a liquid lunch protein drink with white bean extract. White kidney bean extract, which I've got in a bottle of here, is something that's really cool. But big thighs, like folks should have big behinds, they do much better with a low-fat and high-protein diet. So we're going to keep the fat content low. This is not about healthy fats, right? But you can have other things in your diet to make up for that difference. So I've made a protein shake for you, because I want you to have lots of protein. But I don't want it to be, in this case, from dairy. I want you to get it from other sources. And this is a fat-busting ingredient, because you can combine in this. You can put a banana, cocoa, you can put blueberries, lots of great things in here. But white kidney bean extract can be added to this as well.
I'll just pick the other meals.
You like the other ones more? Do you really?
Yes, I do.
Well, see, that might be why you're not losing the fat from your thighs.
Okay.
It's a good example. I'll tell you, white kidney bean extract will inhibit the ability of carbohydrates to get broken down. So if you don't absorb the carbohydrates, they can't be turned into fat in your thighs once they get absorbed in your body. So this effectively represents a way of reducing the amount of carbohydrates you get in your body, but you're still getting the protein that you want.
Okay.
And if you put that all together and no sugar added to it, it'll taste like that. See what you think about that. Ta-da! What's you think?
Tastes more like bananas.
Yeah, it tastes most. Well, you can mix it up. You know what? You don't have to even make this. What you can do really simply is you can buy a protein drink that already exists out there and just add a little bit of the white kidney bean extract to it. Okay. And that will have the same benefit. But you're only looking for 30 grams of protein. That's how much protein you want in the morning. And to add this to it. Can you do that?
Absolutely.
In the meantime, you can take the capsules. They'll keep you out of trouble.
I can probably drink this 2 meals a day.
Perfect.
It tastes great. Thank you.
Thank you very much. All right, now...